Kaliwa lang, kaliwa.
The House of Representatives is constitutionally mandated to act on any impeachment complaint filed in accordance with the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Pursuant to the Constitution, a verified complaint for impeachment may be filed by any member of the House of Representatives or by any citizen upon a resolution of endorsement by any member thereof. It is crucial to underscore that addressing an impeachment complaint is not a discretionary act for the House of Representatives, but a constitutional obligation. The Constitution prescribes clear steps to ensure fairness and adherence to the rule of law.